Today in my video I am going to talk about the importance of rivers. The rivers are very important for man to live in this earth. Though there are more water, billions and trillions of tons of water is in the oceans and seas, it is not suitable for drinking. It is very salty. So lakes and rivers are the only source of us for the water for drinking and even irrigation. So let's go inside this video guys and know about the importance of rivers. To know all the importance of these rivers, don't skip this video and see this video till end. One of the main importance of the river is the irrigation and drinking purposes. When the rivers is flowing, there will be some of the wells in the rivers which will collect some water for the drinking purposes. It will be taken and it will be carried some of the filtration process and it will be given for drinking. And rivers are very important for the irrigation purposes for our farmers to grow crops, because they need water for the crops at a high level. So rivers are very important for them. And not only the farmers, many people are dependent on the rivers for another reason, that is for fishes. Many people are directly dependent on the fishing in the rivers. It is the life for them, and mainly many fishes are caught in the rivers for food. And without the fishes on the rivers, there will be no more fishes, and there may be a food shortage in the country also. And the rivers help in transportation also. It is not done and it is not practiced widely today, but in the olden period, when the Indus Valley civilization in India or Chinese civilization in China flourished, the reason for the people to live there is only the rivers, which is in this Indus Valley civilization means it is Indus River, or the Chinese means it is Yangtze River, and it is the reason for the flourishment of the people in a particular place. And with this river we can do lot of transportation and trade, so that only even today, because of that reason only, even our India flourished and we became as a wealthy country. And if there were no river in India or any place, even it is Mesopotamia or China or Egyptian, the Nile River, there would be no civilization took place at that place. And if Indus River was not there, which is in present Pakistan and India, the wealth of India, the present wealth of India would not come, because there would be no trade relations with other countries with our people, that is our ancestors who lived in that time. So the rivers are very important for the wealthiness of the people, and also for the agriculture purposes, can also increase the economy of a country. And by the rivers we can take some of the gold and minerals also in the rivers, so that in many places, not mostly in India but some other places in Africa and South America, there are more gold under the rivers for taking outside. And the climate near the rivers will be very cool, and it will be having a good sound, that is the water sound, which will be falling on the rocks, and that can even make that place as a tourist place, and the people and the country can earn money by the rivers, its recreation value. The main is the scenic beauty, and the climate can attract many tourist people all over the world even. And guys, today my video is over on the importance of rivers, and I believe you know about the importance of rivers, and the another very important feature of the river is, if the river water is not joining the seas or oceans, the oceans and seas may become very salty, because if the river water will be commonly fresh water and it won't have salt, and if there will be evaporation in the seas and oceans, so the water level will decrease. Though if the water level decreases, the salt level in every liter of the water, the density of the salt in the water will increase. At that time, the marine animals will die in the seas, and the water will become very salty and not even suitable for taking in hand, and there will be a great environmental loss in earth. So the water of the river must join the seas, and it must mix with the seas for the correct recycling of the salt content in the seas. So I request you all of them to not to suck all the water in the rivers. So guys, today my video is over, and I hope you know about the importance of rivers and what we should do for the rivers. And guys, thank you for seeing this video, and subscribe my channel for more video guys, and click the bell button. I will see you in the next video. Bye.